lemon pepper salmon bites. Yes, you heard me correct. This is nothing but pressure, absolute pressure in the kitchen. Absolutely delicious, full of flavor, so easy to make. And you know I am about to show you how it's done, so let's not waste any time. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we will be working with in today's video. Don't worry at all. As always, as I use them, they will be displayed on the screen and they will be listed in the description box down below for you to reference to. So we are going to begin with our salmon. We are going to slice these into nice size cubes, bite-sized pieces, whatever you want to call them. Go ahead, get your knife out and start doing your thing. So we have a bowl of flour, all-purpose flour of course, and we have our seasonings listed on the screen, as well as hot sauce, 1 large egg, and our secret ingredient, club soda. Go ahead and get that in your bowl, get a whisk, and start twirling that wrist, you know what I mean? Getting all these flavors well combined, and once we have that mixed together, you have a consistency like so. Go ahead and grab your salmon bites and go ahead and drop them in there. Get a hand in there. Make sure they're all fully submerged, well covered up in all of this goodness. So here I have a little bit of a breading station. To the right, I have a bowl of plain all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna grab my salmon bites, shake off the excess and drop it in the flour. I am doing 2 batches because I do not want to overcrowd my oil. So the remainder of the salmon will stay in the seasoning as we take a small portion and get it in the flour and coat it up as you see I'm doing here. So go ahead and grab both of your hands and just toss them. Make sure they're all well coated. Once that's taken care of, go ahead and grab your salmon bites once more, shake off the excess flour, and we are gonna drop it in some hot oil at 350 degrees. Very important to have your oil at the proper temperature to get that nice perfect crisp. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cool. You know what I'm saying? You want to have it at that perfect 350 to get a absolute perfect result. And we are gonna fry these bad boys for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want them nice and golden brown. It's not gonna take too long because salmon cooks very quickly. You just want a nice, beautiful brown crust. So this is how you should be looking when they are fully cooked. Beautiful, golden brown, crispy. You know, look how beautiful that is right there. Oh my goodness. So go ahead and get them out of the oil and into a pot so we can season them up with that lemon pepper seasoning. All right, and I know you guys are gonna ask, Jay, what lemon pepper seasoning do you like using? In my personal humble opinion, Lawry's has the best lemon pepper seasoning, but any seasoning that you run into that you can find at the store will be fine. It does not have to be Lawry's, all right? So go ahead and get them into a bowl, and you want to do this while they are piping hot, fresh up out the oil, so that seasoning can really stick to these salmon bites. So I'm gonna drop in that lemon pepper seasoning as well as a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. And you want to be very generous, very heavy-handed with this lemon pepper seasoning. You want to make sure these are coated up oh so proper. And when you think you added too much seasoning, add a little bit more. So shake them up, and shake them, and you are basically done, ready to plate up and bust down on this goodness right here. Come on now, stop playing with me. This is hands down one of my favorites to make. It is so delicious. And I know you're gonna enjoy it just as much as I do. So go ahead, give it a try, come back, let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Deuces.